Hello! Today we're going to talk about different ventriloquist dummies. What they have. It's like, if we'll take this one. This is the Howdy Doody from the 70s. Very good. And how do I make it talk?
Hi, I'm Howdy Doody.
Yeah, I make it talk when I pull this string. There's a mechanism inside, a rubber band. You can have a spring too, but yeah, the body is filled. So yeah, that's Howdy Doody, the basic. So this is the basic version. You have shoes and everything, so yeah, that's cool. If we look just fast, this is a willy talk, that's just a head. And here you see the rubber band. When I pull, the mouth is talking. Yes! And then we're going to number 2. Here we have the... Oh. This is Daniel Day. This is a basic, like, plus version. It's like, not deluxe, it's after that. What is different with this one? It's like,
Hello, I'm Danny O'Day.
so, yeah. He can move his head all around if he wants, and he can nod. And here, this is a hollow body. So, I have this stick, and this one I move up and down, so he's talking. Yeah, so there you can get more tension when if you're making a horror movie or what you are doing. If you're on the scene and he's like, what? I did not have
intercourse with that one.
Yeah, I'm not so good with this one. I have started, but yeah, that's Danny O'Day, like basic plus. And then we're coming to my pride and joy, Mr. Slappy from Goosebumps.
Yeah, I'm here.
And this one is the same, hollow body. What is the new hair? We get a real hair, it's a wig. So, not real from humans, but real dummy hair. So, real, but not real. Yeah? What can we do with him? Holy shit, he's looking at me now. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, the new with this one is that he can move his eyes. He can do just the same that the Daniel Day. He can spin all around if I want that, and he can nod, and yeah. So this is my pride and joy. As you see, full. I have the plastic on his hands because I bought it new, but I'm doing a show, horror and comedy, so I need to have the plastic on for a little while. So here you can do this horror stuff. Moving his eyes, then he can follow you when you walk. So
I'm the star.
and here is the one. This one is for the eyes, so it's left or right, and there is a rubber band inside, so they are self-centering. So if I do this and let it go, the eyes goes back. So yeah, so that is very cool. And what do they have more? I have seen wiggly ears, I have seen tongue coming out, then the overlip going up so you can get other expressions. You have a winkers, so you have eyelids, then you have the eyebrows going up and down. So yes, you can do a lot of stuff with these. Here is my clown, that's just the basic one, and I bought it with a broken jaw. I have changed the rubber band inside, but it's broken again, so I have to check why. And the eyes, he's crazy, this clown. Yes, and this is not a dummy, this is a monster.
Monster! Why are you saying like that?
It's like, yeah. So, and then I have this one, so he can move his hand. I can put that to the dummies too, so
Dummy! Dummy, dummy, dummy! I'm a puppet monster!
yeah. So, yeah, I'm going to do a lot of shows where you're talking like me. Yeah. So, yeah, and I have this one. This is a little Jeff. He has plastic hair, not like the Slappy have the real dummy hair. So here is the same. The eyes are moving. The only thing is that they are not self-centering, so otherwise, yeah, he's kind of cool. But he sounds a little bit when I'm talking, so that can destroy the show, but yeah.
Yeah, I'm Jeff.
Can you watch on me? You look creepy. Yeah, so that was everything for me. If I get to buy one of those more super deluxe versions, then I can make a show with them. And it was like this one, next version was the eyebrows. It was like $100 more, and I was thinking that this one cost like, I think it was $40, and I didn't want to put $400. It was $400, not 40. That had been good. So 400 I paid for this one, and 100 more had been for the eyebrows. And I was thinking, no, my first pride and joy Slappy, yeah, he's going to be without the eyebrows. So yeah, I have some more of the dummies, but this is what I showed today. And just below here in the comments or in the information, I have some links to pages where I'm included or some friends. And so there's ghost hunts, there's horror, comedy, and then we have Jarlby here. He's in Swedish, but he's making some food, and what more do he tests things and gets out on the town and films cool places here in Sweden you can visit if you're here. So check those and subscribe on their channels. Yeah, thank you. I hope you liked my video. If you have more questions, put them in the comments and subscribe on my channel, and you will see another channel there. That channel is just for the dummies. There I'm going to make horror, comedy, and those one is just, this channel is everything. I don't know if it's so good that I have everything here. It's comedy, horror, testing, yeah, a lot. I have done the test when I changing the spring or the rubber band here. When I'm changing it, I have a video with close-ups and everything. So if you buy a cheap dummy and it's not working, the mouth, you can see, if you're like checking on eBay and you see the mouth is like this, it's open when they have taken the pictures. That's one clue. The rubber band is broken. So Yeah. So if you see the mouth like this, you know I have to change the rubber band. And what do you do then? You are coming to my channel and watch my repair of the rubber band. Yeah! So, thanks for me again. I have said that 500 times already.